Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to boost your credit score using Tomo's Boost feature. Let's get started. First, download Tomo app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Credit Building or Boost section. These features help you build credit by reporting your positive financial habits like paying rent and utilities on time to the three major credit bureaus. To get started, you securely link your bank account to Tomo. The app will then identify eligible bills you're already paying. Things like rent, streaming service, or phone bills. Select which bills you want to promote to report. Remember, only on-time payments are shared with credit bureaus. So this rewards you consistently. There is no hard credit checks, so your score credit won't take a hit. Set it and forget it. Tomo automates the process and you'll start seeing a potential score improvement within weeks as your payment history builds. Track your progress right in the app with the clear updates and insights. And that's it. You're now leveraging Tomo Boost to grow your credit effortlessly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Tomo Boost. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.